Hi, today I'm going to explain to you how to install GemWallet locally to your browser from GitHub. So first of all, you need to access to the GitHub page of GemWallet. So you go to github.com/gemwallet/gemwallet-extension. Be sure that you are on the GemWallet extension repository, and then clone the repository. When you have cloned the repository locally, what you will need to do is to open GemWallet with your favorite code editor. In my case, I'm using VS Code. So before we start, we need to be sure that we use the current node version used to create GemWallet. So for that, I'm gonna do nvm use. It's gonna load our node version currently used to create the extension repository. The node version is stored in the nvmrc file. You can find it here. Now we are sure that we use the current node version. We are gonna install our packages. So let's enter yarn. You need to be sure that you use yarn during all the process because the GemWallet extension repository is using yarn workspaces. So if you use npm, it's not gonna be enough to run the next command line. Now we want to run the build of GemWallet extension. So for this, we are gonna enter yarn build. All the command line I'm explaining to you right now, they are all written in the README of the repository if you need to go back at it later on. So let's enter it. It might take some time depending on your computer. So let's let it create a build. Okay, our build is created, and now we are gonna check if the build was successful. So for that, we are gonna go to packages, extension, and here we can see build. This is the build we are gonna install in our browser. So now go to your browser. I'm currently using Brave, so you go to your extensions, then you have to be sure that you are using the developer mode. In Chrome it's the same, and Edge as well. Then what you need to do is look for the load unpack extension. You click on it, and we are gonna load our build package. So we go to our repository, then in packages, extension, and then we have a folder called build. We go in it, and then we select this folder. Here we go. So now you do have GemWallet installed locally in your browser. You can see it's actually right here. And if you want, you can add a shortcut of GemWallet by just pinning it in your browser. And here you go. You just installed GemWallet locally. If you have any question, feel free to add a comment or join the Discord.